Look at this 2010 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. Carfax has certified this Tundra 4WD truck as having one owner. This Tundra 4WD truck has just under 1,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 on the highway. This Tundra 4WD truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, satellite radio, tow package, driver airbag and heated mirrors. Call 888-224-4060 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.